Hey guys, it's Friday, June the 7th. Surprise, I've got a video on a Friday. Figured I had to do one after the big move off the non-farm payroll report this morning here in the U.S. This kind of tells the story right there. This is the pound dollar on 1 hour, and you can see what happened off the news, and it hadn't really gone a whole lot lower since that candle, which usually happens on these reports. It usually stays within that candle or close to the low of that candle, which it's done. So we won't know till next week what's going to happen on it. And then the Aussie dollar, it's of course the same thing. There's the report right there, and it's sold off a little bit more since the report. Actually about, what is that, 20 pips maybe, sold off more too. So that's kind of what we went over. But I was talking about yesterday, the Euro New Zealand, taking that trade. I talked about this yearly pivot right here, that purple, mine's purple, I'm not sure what color y'all's is. It goes all the way across. That's a yearly pivot, and look where it came to. And I got in that, of course, yesterday. And I got stopped. This is the news on it right here. And it actually had gotten taken off half the position up here, and then I moved my stop to break even, which was over here, and it came within 3 pips of getting me that spike down. And then when it pushed up, I immediately moved my stop up, which wasn't much, about 3 pips, but I moved up underneath that low, and then I got out whenever this showed up. The second half, that's the second half of the position. First half was out over here, actually over here. And the pound New Zealand was exactly the same thing. And so those are the twos I was wanting to show you, especially the Euro New Zealand, that yearly pivot. It went right to it and bounced off. So I've had several people message me and say that they think that the daily and the weekly are more important. I'm not sure. That tells me all I need to know right there. That's very important, this yearly pivot. But it skyrocketed over that. And the pound New Zealand did not come down to the yearly pivot yet, because it's way down here. So it is actually about 430 away from where it's trading at right now. Actually, no, it's more than that. That's 700? 630 from where it's trading at. So I would think there's going to be a retrace of this flush up move, like the Euro New Zealand. On there, I don't think the next resistance is till, yeah, it's way up there. So I would think there's going to be a pullback at some point on this. This may push up, make another little higher high, and then pull down. So I'm out of this trade. The second half up here, when the arrows showed up, I get out. It could go up a little bit more, but that was on the second half. First half, of course, was out over here. And that little spike down like to have got me right there. That came within 3 pips. Actually, I think it was less than 3 pips. I think it was like 2.6 or something like that, or 2.4 maybe, within it, of stopping the second half out at break even. So just wanted to show how important these yearly pivots are, and of course it showed up with my arrows, which kind of to confirm what was going on. So I just wanted to show you guys that's the pound New Zealand, done the same thing. So there's going to be a retracement on this, but it may not be till after it makes another higher high, then it comes down. So I just want y'all to see that's off the news. The Aussie dollar. I think we're a long ways. Yeah, we're heading up to yearly. That's a pivot resistance, because we've been below it practically all year, and we were heading up that direction. And this just gives the big boys an opportunity to load up and then eventually push it up to here, which is about 160 away from where it's trading. And the pound dollar, close what we getting. Now the yearly pivot's down here, so we're within 160 of the yearly pivot right there. So this could be where we're heading. But these will be ones to keep an eye on next week if they do continue lower. So, and this is the advertisements now. This is for trading education purposes only. Trade at your own risk. You can lose some or all your money. Trading Forex currencies is risky. Do your due diligence and research, and do not follow anybody, including me, blindly. So I'm hoping to have another video on Monday, but I'm not sure because I'm going to be out of town. So it could be Tuesday before I have another one, or I may do a late one, because I think that's when we're going to be back, is late Monday. So I may do one late. I hate doing them late like that though. So this video is being recorded, be posted in about 15 minutes. And if you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to go to the video. Underneath the videos or comment section, and just put your question or comment in there, and I'm able usually to get back to you pretty quickly. So we will see you guys on hopefully Monday. If I do have a video, it'll be late Monday, probably in the evening here in the US. If I'm not able to do it then, of course it'll be Tuesday, hopefully at the regular time. So you guys have a good weekend.